Hi, this is Sarah Abrams, Executive Editor at Rave Publications, and I'm here at the NEC Executive Briefing Center, and I'm here with Ryan O'Halloran from Diversified Chicago. How are you today, Ryan?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you are Director of Advanced
Visual Environments.
Advanced Visual Environments.
Diversified in Chicago, yes.
Okay, and this is a special video. Ryan is going to give us a little sneak peek into the guts of the whole system. Diversified is the integrator that installed this entire center, right?
Yes, so Engineering Plus was the AV consultant that designed the space, working with NEC staff on coming up with the program for it. So we were the AV integrator. Right here, we're in the rack room. If you can see here, so there are about 37 or so endpoints throughout the facility here. This is a Crestron NVX system that is AV over IP that's routing all of the audio and video signals throughout the whole entire space. So really, you've got vignettes that are demonstrating applications of different NEC products, their display products, their software solutions, but there's a lot more power behind the scenes here where they can route anything to anywhere. So anything, for instance, if you want to look in the conference room, it looks like a traditional conference room, but really you take away you strip away your notions of what a conference room are, how the system is, because it's really NVX powering that. So the inputs at the table, the immersive Solstice wireless presentation and all that is all running into encoders, NVX encoders, and then decoded at the display with a decoder.
And I've noticed in all the rooms I've been in that there are Crestron touch panels and control everywhere. So this is a totally Crestron system, right?
Total Crestron control and AV over IP, yes, correct.
And what made you go that route?
So Engineering Plus designed it. They chose the idea that they chose for to do NVX was that flexibility, the massive flexibility that you have when you're able to route anything anywhere, and the fact that NEC doesn't really know in the future how they're going to use these spaces. Right, this is going to be a living space that changes over time as their products change, as their needs change, and so you've got ultimate flexibility in an AV over IP solution. There's a Cisco Catalyst switch that routes all of the AV through.
1 gig network?
Yes, it's a 1 gig network.
Can you tell us anything else about the other equipment in here? Or?
Yeah, so the Biamp to Sierra servers are running the audio. So similarly, you can route audio, to and from NVX and to any of the overhead speakers and from any of the microphones through this. The control is essential for that because, as you might have seen in some of the tours today, NEC was walking around to the different vignettes touring people through, and so they had one microphone, but as they were walking through, their briefing center coordinator Vicky was muting and unmuting zones as they walked around, so you didn't disturb the
I didn't even notice that.
You were actually just getting audio in the zone you were in. So it's really helpful for the way that they use the space. And our engineer Taylor Austin, who is really responsible for getting all of this up and running, he's trained them several times and got them up really understanding on how to use the system, and they're very fluent in it now.
Nice. So it's chilly in here. It's an AV closet. It's very well ventilated. Well, thanks so much, Ryan. Really appreciate the little tour today of the rec space.